a nice classroom. I would love to study here on a regular basis. Yeah, I
Wow.
know. We should have a class here one day.
I love this place. I've been coming so many times here, and I really want to have a class here with all my students. It's good I have 3 of you today here. Yeah. Shalala, do you like the place?
Yes. In fact, can we have a class here right now?
Oh yes, we can. So let's think. Can you see how many seats are there and how many students can we accommodate?
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, in the first row we have 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How about the second row?
We have 6 in the second row.
Okay, 6 in the second row. And what about the third row?
7 in the third row.
7 in the third row. So do you see a pattern in the seats here?
I do.
What is, well, so we did count. So we have 5 seats in the first row, 6 in the second, 7 in the third. Can you tell me how many seats will be there in the 11th row?
Well, let's figure out an equation first and work from there.
Okay. So what kind of equation?
Well, so the first row starts with 5.
Yeah.
So that would mean each time it's going up by 1.
Right.
So if it starts at 4, we say starts at 4.
Yeah.
So starting point at 4 and you add 1.
Yeah.
So that would be the first
So
row.
you took 0 as your starting point. That's beautiful. That's a lovely solution. So she's connecting 0th row as 4 and then every row increasing by 1. That's an excellent solution. Yes, I love it. Yes. So 4 is here, which is not there, right? That's 0. I think that was a good concept. Using 4 for the 0th row, right? 0th row 4. I never thought that could be used, but that's a wonderful solution. I really appreciate it. So the number of seats in the row becomes 4 plus n, where n is the number of rows, right? So first row is 4 plus 1. Second row, 4 plus 2. So how many seats in the 11th row?
4 plus 11.
4 plus 11 is how much?
15.
15. So we have 5 in the first row and 15 in the 11th row. Can you now work out and tell me how many seats in total so that I know my capacity of this class? 5 in the first row, 11th row has got 15. So how many in all? That means 5 plus 6 plus 7, so on till 15. Do your math and let me know. Can you figure it out?
You can try.
Okay, try. Tell me how.
So in the first row, if there's 5,
Yeah.
the last row is 15, it comes together and makes 20.
Okay.
And then the second row, with the second last row,
Yeah.
would be 6 and 14.
Wow.
So that would also make 20.
Correct. So you get sets of 20. And then third row will be combined with the third last kind of, okay. And that will again make 20. So how many sets of 20 are we going to get? There are 11 rows in all.
So half of that.
Half of that is 5 and a half?
Right.
What do you mean? So 5 and a half, then total will be how much?
So 5.5 times 20, which
Okay.
will be 5 times 20 is just 100, and then half of 20 is 10. So 110.
Wow, that was good math. You really got it. Delilah, do you get it?
Yes, I get it now.
Perfect. That was so simple. So you just added them all in no time, right? That's beautiful. I like the way you did it. And so we got 110 capacity for this class.